So you want to start a YouTube channel and make some money? You're not alone. YouTube has become a lucrative platform for content creators, with thousands of channels generating substantial income. But how do you stand out in such a crowded space and make your mark? In this ultimate guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of starting a profitable YouTube channel. Step 1. Find your niche. The first and most crucial step in starting a successful YouTube channel is finding your niche. What is it that you're passionate about? What unique skills or knowledge do you possess? Identifying your niche will help you target a specific audience and differentiate yourself from the competition. Research popular trends and topics on YouTube and analyze which ones align with your interests and expertise. Trying to cater to a broad audience might seem like a good idea, but it often ends up diluting your impact. Instead, focus on a specific niche where you can become an authority. Step 2. Define your target audience. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to define your target audience. Who are you creating content for? Understanding your audience's needs, preferences, and demographics will help you tailor your content to their specific interests. Conduct market research, analyze competitor channels, and engage with your potential audience to gather insights. Creating buyer personas can be a helpful exercise in understanding your target audience better. These fictional representations of your ideal viewers will guide your content creation process, ensuring you address their pain points and provide value. Step 3. Plan your content strategy. Planning your content strategy is a crucial step towards long-term success on YouTube. Consistency is key, so outline a content calendar to establish a regular upload schedule. Determine the types of videos you'll create, such as tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or interviews. Add variety to your content to keep your audience engaged. Balance between evergreen content, which remains relevant for a long time, and trending topics that capitalize on current interests. Utilize keyword research tools to identify popular search terms and optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Step 4. Create high-quality videos. To attract and retain viewers, you need to create high-quality. Invest in good equipment, including a decent camera, microphone, and lighting setup. While you don't need the most expensive gear, ensure that your videos have good audio and video quality. Scripting your videos can help you maintain a clear structure and deliver your content more effectively. Practice your delivery and consider incorporating visuals, graphics, and animations to enhance engagement. Remember to remain authentic and let your personality shine through. Step 5. Optimize your channel for discovery. Even with excellent content, your channel won't gain traction unless it's optimized for discovery. Implement these optimization techniques to improve your chances of being found. Create a compelling channel trailer to introduce yourself and your content. Add channel keywords and relevant tags to help YouTube's algorithm understand your content. Write an informative and keyword-rich channel description. Create visually appealing channel art and thumbnails. Enable channel sections to organize your content. Promote your videos through social media and collaborations. Step 6. Engage with your audience. Your audience is your most valuable asset, so make sure to engage with them. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create a dialogue with your viewers. Building a community around your channel fosters loyalty and encourages viewers to share your content with others. Consider hosting live streams, Q&A sessions, or collaborations with fellow YouTubers to further interact with your audience. The more you engage, the more your channel will grow. Step 7. Monetize your channel. Now comes the exciting part, monetizing your channel. There are several revenue streams available on YouTube. Ads. Sign up for the YouTube Partner Program to enable ads on your videos and earn through YouTube's ad revenue sharing model. Sponsorships. Collaborate with brands and feature their products or services in your videos in exchange for payment. Merchandise. Launch your merchandise line and promote it to your audience. Memberships. Offer exclusive perks to your loyal viewers through YouTube's memberships program. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services in your video descriptions and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. As your channel grows, so will your revenue potential. Keep producing quality content and exploring additional monetization opportunities. Conclusion. Starting a profitable YouTube channel requires dedication, patience, and a well-thought-out strategy. Find your niche, understand your audience, create compelling content, optimize your channel, engage with your viewers, and monetize intelligently. With persistence and the right approach, you can unlock success on YouTube. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and effort to build a loyal audience and generate substantial income. So start today and make your mark on the world's largest video sharing platform.